Okay, this is a little lesson in making a strudel. We've got all this phyllo dough, which is wafer thin. You have to handle it very gently, otherwise it'll rip. Every layer, and there'll be 8 or 9 of these layers, has to be coated with butter. Okay. Just to cover it nice and rich. Then we put some breadcrumbs in the middle, and what that does is help separate the layers when it gets baked so they don't fuse together. Not a lot. Breadcrumbs browned in butter. Okay. Then I like to add a little cinnamon sugar between each layer. And a few almonds. And we do that for 8 layers. Okay, we've got 8 or 9 layers of phyllo dough. Now comes the fun part. The apples I prepared the day before. They sat in the refrigerator. Some cinnamon, some butter, some sugar, some raisins. That way the flavor gets all through the apples. Now, this is, like I said, this is the fun part. If this goes well, you'll be impressed. If not, at least you'll have a good laugh. You've got to fold it over once. Bring it back. Don't take any of the dough with you. There we go. We're good. Now we take a little egg wash to act as a glue. So we can fold that over. And that. And then one more. Oops. Maybe we've got another layer here. Stuff is fragile. Okay, there we go. One more once. There, that wasn't too bad. Okay. I'll wash down here to get that glued in. Close the ends up. So when it bakes, it doesn't leak out. This one should be pretty good. Then we smother it some more egg wash on top. This will make it nice and golden brown in the oven. Okay, a few almonds. And I like to put a little coarse ground sugar, just to make it a little more appealing, as if it needs to be, right? Not too much. Okay, we take this bad boy. Put it on this tray with its brother. I'm going to try and fit 3 of them on there because I've got one more to go. I will cut that off. And there you have it. I'll let you know how it turns out when it comes out of the oven. Okay, the oven timer says it's done. Let's see how accurate that mechanical device is. Alright, be careful. Ooh. I'd say we have a success. Looks pretty darn good. Now we'll let it cool and we'll take in the final step. Okay, they're all sufficiently cooled and I've got 2 apple and 1 cherry. Now on the apple, I'm going to just sprinkle some lemon icing to give it a little bit more flavor. Ta-da! This is the fun part. Let's get it all on there. Why not, right? Nobody said that this was a diet food. Okay? And on the cherry, I'm going to put some vanilla icing. Because the cherry's pretty rich already. Alright, take these out of here, and on the cherry, just to show so we know which one is which before we cut it, we'll put a couple of decorative cherries on there, like so, and on the lemon, because it is lemon, just put a couple of twisted lemon slices. A little jazz in the background doesn't hurt either. Get down there. Stay down there, you little bugger. Okay, there you have it. This I will take over to Joe and Marcia's for dinner. And thanks for watching. It was beautiful.